Good morning, my dear students. Now, in my previous online class, I have already discussed the nomenclature of aldehyde and ketone along with the structure of the carbonyl group. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss the methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketones. There are so many methods. The first method is by the oxidation of alcohol. We have already studied in previous unit, that is in alcohol, that alcohol on oxidation give aldehyde as well as ketone. If the alcohol is primary alcohol, suppose if your alcohol is primary alcohol, then this alcohol on oxidation with PCC. I hope you know what is PCC. PCC is your pyridinium chlorochromate. PCC is your pyridinium chlorochromate. So when primary alcohol is oxidized with PCC, then the product form is your aldehyde. This is your aldehyde. Because if we use a common oxidizing agent like potassium dichromate or permanganate, then the product form is your carboxylic acid and not the aldehyde. Secondly, if we consider secondary alcohol, and then if it is oxidized with your chromium trioxide, that is CrO3, then the product form is your ketone. So this is how we convert primary alcohol to aldehyde and secondary alcohol to ketone. This is your secondary alcohol, while this is your ketone. So this is one of the method of the formation of aldehyde and ketone by the oxidation of alcohol. You know what is pyridinium chlorochromate? Pyridinium chlorochromate is your CrO3. It is your CrO3 complexed with pyridine and CONHCl. It is your CrO3 complexed with pyridine and CONHCl. Now the second is your by the dehydrogenation. The second process is by dehydrogenation, that is removal of hydrogen by dehydrogenation of alcohol. Primary alcohol, when it is heated with copper powder at a temperature about 573 Kelvin, we may use silver in place of your copper, then the product form is your aldehyde. But if we use secondary alcohol, and then if we heat with copper, same process, then the product form is your ketone. तो ये भी रिएक्शन जो है, ये आप जब हम लोग प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ अल्कोहल पढ़ रहे थे तो हम लोग इसको डिस्कस किए थे. सो प्राइमरी अल्कोहल ऑन डिहाइड्रोजिनेशन विल गिव एल्डिहाइड, while secondary alcohol on dehydrogenation will give ketone. Now the third is your from hydrocarbon. The third is your from hydrocarbon. carbon. The third is your from hydrocarbon. Now hydrocarbon means we mainly prepare it from alkene and alkyne. Alkene and alkyne. So let us see how we prepare aldehyde and ketone from alkene. So first is from alkene. Alkene on reductive ozonolysis. Alkene on reductive ozonolysis will give aldehyde or aldehyde or oblique as well as ketone depending on the nature of alkene. कहता है इसके कहने का क्या मीनिंग है? इसके कहने का मीनिंग है कि अल्कीन को जब आप रिडक्टिव ओजोनोलाइसिस करोगे then there is a possibility that only aldehyde will be formed or only ketone will be formed. The another possibility is both the aldehyde as well as ketone is formed. So what product will form? Whether simply aldehyde, whether simply ketone, or both aldehyde as well as ketone, it will depend on the nature of alkene. That is what type of alkene you are taking. For example, if we consider this is the alkene and then we add ozone, that is your O3. Now this alkene will form an intermediate. This alkene will form an intermediate and that intermediate is called your ozonide. ये जो इंटरमीडिएट आपको बन रहा है ना, that is called your ozonide. Now this ozonide on reduction with your zinc and water. This on reduction we use reducing agent zinc followed by water. Then what will happen? This will break. This will break. So what happens? The product form is your double bond O and that is your double bond O. Now the product is a carbonyl compound. The product is a carbonyl compound. For example, if we have alkyl and there is hydrogen, the product is your aldehyde. But if both sides we have alkyl, then the product is your ketone. For example, let us consider but2A. For example, if we have a compound like but2A, आपको याद है 11th क्लास में आप लोग पढ़े हैं what is ozonolysis. If we consider but2A is your CH3, CH double bond CH, CH3. Now first of all you add ozone and second zinc and water, reducing agent zinc. Then what will be the product for? The bond, this double bond will cleave. This double bond will cleave and the product form is your CH3, CHO and another product is your CH3, CHO. So we are getting simply, we can say 2 mole of acetaldehyde, that is your ethanol. 2 mole of acetaldehyde. Now let us suppose if we have a compound like this type CH3, CCH3, double bond CH, CH3. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This compound is your 2-methyl 2-methyl butane। तो अगर आप इसकी ओजोनालिसिस करते हो, then this bond will cleave and then the product form, if you do it, then the product form after ozonalysis, first of all you add ozone, second reduction by zinc, then the product form is your CH3 CO CH3। ये देखिए यहां से बॉन्ड आपका क्लीव करेगा, ये वाला बॉन्ड आपका ब्रेक करेगा, ठीक है ना। तो डबल बॉन्ड ऑक्सीजन यहां लग गया, डबल बॉन्ड ऑक्सीजन यहां लग गया, एक डबल बॉन्ड ऑक्सीजन इस जगह पे, दूसरा डबल बॉन्ड ऑक्सीजन इस जगह पे। तो ये जो प्रोडक्ट बना दैट इज एसीटोन एंड दिस प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म विल बी योर CHO CH3। दिस इज एसिटल्डिहाइड और कॉल्ड इथानल, हाउएवर दिस इज योर propanol। So see how aldehyde and ketone can be prepared from your alkene. Next is your from alkyne. Next is your from alkyne. Alkyne, particularly ethyl, that is acetylene on hydration, ethyl on hydration, that is addition of water in the presence of comp H2SO4 and HgSO4, that is mercuric sulfate, will give acetaldehyde, acetaldehyde. However, the higher alkyne will give ketone। ये भी क्लास 11th में आपने पढ़ा है, you must have studied in class 11। See, this is your acetylene, this is acetylene, you add water in the presence of mercuric sulfate and sulfuric acid, then this water means it is your HOH, ठीक है ना। तो एक जगह इस कार्बन पे मान लीजिए H लग गया, इस कार्बन पे OH लग गया, then it is CH2 double bond CH OH। this is called your vinyl alcohol। तो ये अनसेचुरेटेड अल्कोहल है जो कि आपको लेस स्टेबल होगा। नाउ इट विल टॉटोमेराइज, ये क्या करेगा आपको टॉटोमेराइज करेगा, इट विल टॉटोमेराइज एंड आफ्टर टॉटोमेराइजेशन दिस विल गिव acetaldehyde। सो द प्रोडक्ट इज योर acetaldehyde। तो ये टॉटोमेराइजेशन में क्या होता है आपको बताएं, देयर इज 1,3 माइग्रेशन। ये देखिए OH है ना, ये 1,3 माइग्रेशन, दिस हाइड्रोजन विल माइग्रेट टू दिस कार्बन, सो इट इज योर CH3CHO acetaldehyde। I hope it is clear to you. Any doubt? Okay. Now, if you consider propine, यदि आप इसके बदले यहीं पे प्रोपाइन ले लिए रहते, देखिए यही हमने कर दिया CH3, तो जब हमने यहां मान लीजिए CH3 कर दिया, वाटर जोड़ा, हम इसी पे आपको दिखा दें। नाउ देयर विल बी एडिशन ऑफ वाटर अकॉर्डिंग टू मार्कोनिकॉफ रूल। तो यहां देखिए एक भी हाइड्रोजन नहीं है, यहां एक हाइड्रोजन है। सो व्हाट विल हैपन, दिस इज CH3COH एंड दिस इज ट्रिपल बॉन्ड से कन्वर्ट हो गया डबल बॉन्ड, दैट इज CH2। नाउ अगेन देयर विल बी टॉटोमेराइजेशन, यहां पे टॉटोमेराइजेशन होगा एंड व्हेन देयर विल बी टॉटोमेराइजेशन you can think about the product। Now what happens, this hydrogen will shift on this carbon and then your product is CH3COCH3। what is this? This is called your propanol। so this is the preparation of aldehyde and ketone from hydrocarbon। thank you।